In this video, I'm going to show you the only campground in Big Bend National Park that has full hookups. Adjacent to the Rio Grande Village RV campground, you'll find the village store. They have diesel fuel in here as well as regular fuel. The store is well stocked and there's ice right out in front. This is the entryway to Rio Grande Village RV campground. It's a private campground. It's adjacent to the campground store here at Rio Grande Village. It's not cheap. Currently it's like $42 a night, but it's the only place where you can get full hookups here at Big Bend National Park. Let me give you a quick look around. And if you care to make a reservation at the Rio Grande Village RV campground, here's some useful information for you. Like I said, I just verified today and it's $42 and up. It is privately operated, 30-50 amp electric service. This is the telephone number that you call. You cannot make an online reservation like you can with the federal parks. 877-386-4383, folks, if you want to reserve a campsite at Rio Grande Village RV Campground. Hope that helps. Campground store is back that way. There's also free Wi-Fi there at the campground store. It's well stocked. They also have the gift shop in there. This is the entryway to Rio Grande Village RV Campground. Like I said, it's a private campground. It's more like lot docking, but you don't have all the tree obstacles that you do in the federal campground. And it's the only place in Big Bend National Park where you're going to find full hookups. So Melody and I are outfitted to boondock. We have our Yamaha generators as backup, and we have solar, lithium battery bank. So we do pretty well. In fact, my batteries, this is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon when I'm filming this. And when I just left our rig, we were up to 100%. But it does get cold at night. It was down to the upper 30s last night. And so that's one reason why you might want to have the full hookups. And it does get pretty hot down here in the off season. Yet another reason why you would want full hookups for the air conditioning. So basically you park your vehicle right alongside where your vehicle is, where your RV would be. This is site number 8. The boxes are all locked. There's a number that you call. You cannot make online reservations. But there's your water hookup, and in that box, well, that box doesn't happen to be locked. Maybe we can take a look in there. Yeah, you have 30 and 50 amp electric hookups. Most of these boxes are locked, padlocked. So here's another vantage point of the Rio Grande Village RV campground. There's your SOAR right in there. And then your water is right here. This is site 7. And like I said, most of the electric boxes are padlocked. And then once you pay the fee, they assign a site, then we'll take that padlock off. So I have to say the federal campground at Rio Grande Village is more aesthetically pleasing. This is, again, more like lot docking with full hookups. And again, if you're looking for full hookups, this is the only place you're going to find them in Big Bend National Park. From the Rio Grande Village RV Campground in Big Bend National Park, I think I'm going to leave it here. If y'all like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you